Breville Mini Smart Oven has 8 preset cooking functions, an independent variable element intensity, smart algorithms and temperature control, optimized rack positioning, and the lovely a bit more temp conversion and defrost buttons. They're very helpful. The outside package clearly shows the features. A non-stick interior with 3 rack positions, 4 quartz elements with element IQ, 1800 watts of power, 4 sliced toast, 8-ounce pizza capacity, tempered glass door, function dial with 8 preset cooking functions, stainless steel housing with a plate warming tray, temperatures and time buttons with auto shut off and sound alert, temperature conversion and frozen foods buttons, and the very helpful a bit more, toast your bread or bake your cake just a bit more if additional time is needed. Comes with a 10 by 10 enamel baking pan. The package is deceptive here. It looks as if it comes with the pizza pan and the broil rack, but it does not. We can toast, grill, we can broil, we can bake. The packaging tells us how to unpack safely. Place the box on the floor or large steady surface, open the box, turn the box on its side so the back of the oven is facing downwards. Grip the door handle and the back of the oven and carefully pull towards you and out of the box. Place the oven upright on a flat steady surface. Remove the packaging foam, remove the crumb tray, remove the poly bag, remove the tape. Refer to the quick guide start to start using. Save the packing materials in case future shipping of the oven is necessary. Check in the text below and also in the pinned comment. I will provide a link for you to purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Easy enough. Mine did come with the 10 by 10 pan and the rack and then the bottom tray, but it did not come with a round pizza pan or a grill rack. That's a little misleading on the box, but it's a beautiful piece of machinery, isn't it? Let's hook it up. Okay, just to be aware, that is misleading because on the package it makes it seem like those 2 items are included, but on the inside, the 10 by 10 baking pan is an included accessory. The wire rack is an included accessory. The 11-inch pizza pan should be purchased separately, and the 10 by 10 broiling rack may be purchased separately. We have these fairly thick guide. We have a 1-year limited warranty. We have a tip sheet, and of course that I showed you, and a little card with the QR code if you're interested in using that. A cleaning note on the enamel baking pan. They do not recommend using it in the dishwasher. They recommend to wash in warm soapy water with a sponge or soft plastic scouring pad, rinse and dry thoroughly. I had to go on YouTube to find out how to put the crumb tray in because I literally could not figure out where this was supposed to go. If it was in the instruction manual, I missed it. But you take the crumb tray and make sure that this notch part, they call it the notch part, is down. And then you have to make sure the door is close to the oven. And it's going to slide right in under this. I didn't know if it was going to go under here, which I was like, that's the bottom of the oven. And the door has to be closed. So you take it, the notch side down, and it slides under the glass and goes back in that way. And the door can open and close. I already have my rack in for bagel setting. And look forward to using this in the morning. The top part of the oven is a warming station, and you should only put things up there that won't melt. I can put the plate up there, but I should not be setting the bagels up there in the plastic wrapper because it will melt. It does get hot. I'm going to peel this off. And this is the default darkness for bagels that we use. I think we actually use 3. and 2 at my son's house. So that's going to be the default setting for the bagels. To toast our bagel, I have the rack on the second setting. Actually, I think I'm going to move it to the lower one. Just for safety's sake, since the kids will be using it. Put the bagels in. I have it dialed over to bagel, and I have my darkness at 3, and for 2 slices. You need to change the slices. You hit the slices side, and you can go up or down. You want to change your darkness, hit the darkness side, and you can go darker or lighter. And I think this is where we started. So I'm going to hit the start button now, and it starts cooking. And it will automatically cut itself off. If it's not quite dark enough, I can hit a bit more and get a little bit darker, which I normally do. But the setting that I just put these on is what the boys like for their bagels and waffles. We have 6 seconds left, and my bagels are browning nicely. But I'm going to want a little bit more. I like mine just a touch darker than that. Put a bit more, and it goes for 30 more seconds. And that is perfect. Exactly like I like them. So on the bagel function, it's going to toast a little bit darker on the top and not as much on the bottom. If you want it darker on the bottom, then you can use the toast feature. That's just the way I like mine. I'm using aluminum foil to line the pan to cook these awesome Purdue popcorn chicken nuggets. The instructions say to preheat the oven to 425, cook for 14 to 16 minutes. Previously, I cooked fewer nuggets by just wrapping them up in aluminum foil and placing the aluminum foil directly on the rack. But since we're cooking a few more tonight, I'm going to use the aluminum foil on the pan. I'm going to turn it to the bake option. I'm going to hit my temperature to 425. I'm going to cook it for 14 minutes. So I'm going to use the down button to get it to 14 minutes. And I hit start, and it's currently preheating. When the preheating indicator goes off, I'll pop in my plate of chicken nuggets. Until then, I'm going to set my pan on top to use the heat from the warming tray. Didn't catch it, but it beeped to let me know that it was preheated. And we're cooking. 11 minutes to go. While they're baking, using the warming tray to hold my green beans until it's time to cook those. And 8 seconds left, and it will let me know that it is finished cooking. It automatically cuts off. It reminds me how long I cooked it. And there we have beautifully cooked Purdue chicken nuggets. Wonderful. Check in the text below, and also in the pinned comment, I will provide a link for you to purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving the video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment. Remember, you can check in the text below for a link on how you can buy this item or one similar. Again, thank you for watching, and consider subscribing to my channel or a playlist that suits your needs. Until we meet again, let's just help each other solve problems. Bye.